Jeff again for part 2 of the jig series. So we've got the Mortice latch and knob jig. This current jig can accommodate for 40mm and 35mm doors. We have the 2 inserts. They can be taken out for a 40mm door, but this is a 35mm door, so we'll keep them in. So inside we've got 2 indicator arrows, which are to line up with the cross line on the door. We put that on, lining up the arrows with the line, taking our clamp, clamp that on like that, nice and tight. Okay, so we have our 54mm bore hole. This little insert can accommodate a 60mm or a 70mm backstop. You can just reverse it, whichever one you want. So we're going with a 60mm this time. Line that up there. So there we go. Oops. Quite through yet. Through the other side. We can't see that. Alright, we're through. Okay. Now, at the edge here, we're going to do our router path for our latch. Okay, we'll swap over to our 25mm bore, the latch bore. Put in the insert, helps us center the door jig. Through. Here we go. We take our corner punch, our hammer, okay. Chisel just to clean up. Clean up that last bit there. Okay. There she is. Perfect. There you go. Awesome.